Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How to create Amazon account in US. Creating an Amazon account in the US involves a detailed process that ensures you have access to Amazon's wide range of products and services, or if you're planning to sell, to its vast marketplace. Whether you're looking to create a personal account for shopping or a seller account for business purposes, this guide will walk you through each step in detail. Creating a personal Amazon account, visit the Amazon website. Start by navigating to Amazon's website. The homepage offers a variety of features, but you'll focus on creating your account. Access the account creation page. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll find the account lists option. Hover over it to reveal a drop-down menu, and click on the Start Here link under the Sign In button. Fill in your personal information. You will be redirected to the account creation page. Here, you'll need to provide your name, enter your full name as you want it to appear on your account, email address. Make sure to use a valid and active email address. This will be used for all communications and verification processes. Password, create a strong password that is at least 6 characters long. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Verify your email address. After filling out your details, Amazon will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Check your email inbox and spam/junk folder if necessary, and enter the verification code on the Amazon website to confirm your email address. Complete registration. Once your email is verified, you may need to follow additional prompts to complete the registration process. This might include setting up two-step verification for added security, which involves receiving a code on your phone each time you log in. Creating an Amazon seller account. If you're interested in selling on Amazon, you'll need to create a seller account. Here's how you can do it. Visit Amazon Seller Central. Navigate to Amazon Seller Central. This platform is specifically designed for individuals and businesses that want to sell products on Amazon. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process for a seller account. Choose your selling plan. Amazon offers 2 types of selling plans. Individual plan. This is suitable for those who sell fewer than 40 items per month. There is no monthly subscription fee, but a 99-cent fee is charged per item sold. Professional plan. Ideal for those who sell more than 40 items per month. This plan has a monthly subscription fee of $39.99, but no per item fee. Provide business information. You'll need to enter details about your business, such as business name and address. Enter your official business name and physical address. Contact information. Provide a phone number where you can be reached for verification and customer service purposes. Identity verification. Amazon requires verification of your identity to prevent fraud and ensure trust. You may be asked to provide government ID, a scanned copy of your driver's license or passport, bank account statement, a recent bank account statement showing your name and address, credit card, a valid credit card for billing purposes. Enter payment information. You will need to provide your bank account details for Amazon to deposit your earnings. Ensure that the bank account is in your name or your business's name and that it can receive payments. Complete tax information. Amazon will ask for your tax identification information to comply with U.S. tax regulations. You'll complete an online tax interview, which helps Amazon determine if you need to submit a W-9 or W-8 BEN form. Set up your seller profile. Customize your seller profile to attract customers. This includes seller name, the name that will be displayed to customers, logo, your business logo to enhance brand recognition, description, a brief description of your business and the products you offer. List your products. Once your account is set up, you can start listing products. Here's how. Product information. Provide detailed information about each product, including title, description, price, and quantity. Images. Upload high-quality images of your products. Ensure they meet Amazon's image guidelines. Keywords. Use relevant keywords to improve your product's visibility in search results. Shipping and fulfillment. Decide how you will handle shipping and fulfillment. Amazon offers 2 main options: Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. Amazon handles the storage, packaging, and shipping of your products. This can increase your product's visibility and eligibility for Amazon Prime. Fulfillment by Merchant, FBM. You handle storage, packaging, and shipping yourself. This option gives you more control over the fulfillment process. Monitor your performance. Once your products are live, regularly monitor your performance metrics, such as sales, customer reviews, and inventory levels. Use Amazon Seller Central's tools to manage and optimize your listings. Tips for success: provide accurate information. Ensure all the information you provide during the registration process is accurate and up to date to avoid issues with verification and account management. Use a strong password. Protect your account with a strong, unique password, and enable two-step verification for added security. Keep documentation ready. For seller accounts, have all necessary business and tax documents ready to streamline the registration process. Stay compliant. Familiarize yourself with Amazon's policies and guidelines to ensure compliance and avoid potential issues with your account. By following these detailed steps, you can successfully create either a personal or seller Amazon account in the US, setting the foundation for a rewarding shopping or selling experience on one of the world's largest e-commerce platforms.